In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files from Google Drive to Wave.video. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to move a file from your Google Drive onto your Wave.video account so you can start editing or publishing right away. First, open your web browser and head to your Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that holds the file you want to use. In My Drive, locate the exact file you plan to upload to Wave.video. This could be a video, an image, or an audio file. If you keep things in folders, click through until you see the file. It helps to glance at the file name and type so you're sure you're grabbing the right one. Next, open the Files menu. You can do this by clicking the three dots next to the file name, which opens the More Actions menu. If you're more comfortable, right-clicking the file does the same thing in most browsers. Either way, you're looking for the option that lets you save a local copy. Choose Download from the menu. Your browser will begin saving the file to your computer. If a prompt appears asking where to save it, pick an easy-to-find location like your desktop or Downloads folder. If you selected multiple items, Google Drive may compress them into a zip file. In that case, remember to extract the contents before uploading. Wait for the download to finish completely. Larger videos can take a bit longer, so it's perfectly normal to see a progress indicator in your browser. When it's done, confirm the file is present on your computer and note where it is. Now go to Wave.video and open the Uploads area. Sign in if you aren't already. Click the Upload button to start adding your file. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to the exact place where you saved your downloaded file from Google Drive, select it, and confirm. You'll see the upload begin right away. Keep the tab open while it processes. The larger the file, the more time it may need. Most common formats are supported, but if you run into an issue, double-check that the original file downloaded completely from Drive. Once the upload completes, you'll see the file appear in your Wave.video library. That's your confirmation that everything worked. From here, you can use it in your projects just like any other asset, and that's it. You accessed your file in Google Drive, downloaded a local copy, and uploaded it to Wave.video. Simple, reliable, and ready for your next creation.